Now I want to show you my solution to the buckets of water problem. You have brought two unmarked buckets to a stream. This unmarked means that they don't have any gradations on them to tell you where 1 gallon is or 2 gallons or halfway or anything like that. They're just buckets. One bucket holds 7 gallons, the other holds 3 gallons of water, and you want to get exactly 5 gallons of water to take home. You're at a stream, so you have all the water that you need. You just have to find a way of working the buckets so that you get 5 gallons. And like I said, the buckets are unmarked, so you can't just put some water in until it reads 5. That's not a challenge, and that's not the way that we're going to do this. So really what we're doing is playing with the properties of numbers, the properties of 3 and 7, to figure out how to juggle them, adding, subtracting, whatever we need to do so that the result comes out to be 5. The idea of buckets of water is a fun little scenario to put you in so that you have something to think about, a working model in your head to think about. Here's my solution. I want 5 gallons. So what I do first is I fill up the 3 gallon and I pour it all into the 7 gallon. And what that does is it puts 3 gallons into the 7 gallon. And then I fill up the 3 gallon again and I pour it into the 7 gallon. And so now the 7 gallon has 6 gallons in it. And then I fill up the 3 gallon again and I pour it into the 7 gallon, but I can't pour all of it in this time. All I can do is pour in 1 gallon. And what's left over in my 3 gallon is 2 gallons. So now I have a full 7 gallon bucket and I have 2 gallons in the 3 gallon bucket. So now that I have 2, if I empty out the 7, now I have an empty 7 gallon bucket. If I then pour the 2 gallons into it, and then take my 3 gallon again and fill it up and pour that into it, then I know I have 5 gallons. So I take my empty 7, I pour 3 in it to get 3, I pour 3 in it to get 6, I pour what I can of the 3 into it, that fills it up at 7, that leaves 2 gallons in the 3 gallon bucket. I empty the 7, put the 2 into the bucket, into the 7 gallon bucket, put another 3 into the 7 gallon bucket, and that leaves us with 5. Now that you know how to do this, you can do the challenge. And the challenge is to come up with 1 gallon, 2 gallons, 3 gallons, 4 gallons. We've done 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'll leave those up to you because it really is fun playing with them. The easy ones, of course, are 3, 7, and 10. And we already have 5. But you have enough ideas here that you can go ahead and figure out how to do the rest of the one. Good luck. Ask me questions if you're stuck.